Hello world. The journey of a million miles begins with a single step. In a world where almost all of us often talk passionately about sustainability, hardly a few actually take a step forward and do something about it. I've always wondered about the prospect of creating a global change just by doing a few things we do every day a bit differently. Presenting to you Fridays for Future, and for starters, let's just begin with doing laundry. How do we save the earth by doing laundry a bit differently, you might wonder? Well, here's how. Let's start with the questions first. The United States Department of Energy has stated that 90% of the energy a washing machine consumes goes towards heating water. Increase in power consumption implies more and more fossil fuels are burnt, resulting in release of excessive greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. It is because of these reasons many companies recommend using hot water for washing clothes occasionally, say once in a week. But the hot water settings is enabled by default in our machine and we never bother to change it even if we can. We are lazy enough to work for a change. We are over-conscious of our hygiene. We have never tried to understand the features of our washing machine. And what's the end result of our careless energy consumption? A drastic rise in the greenhouse gas emissions into the atmosphere. Water heated to around 30 degrees Celsius is more than enough to kill any bacteria along with the detergent. And guess what? The dissipated heat from the motor itself heats the circulating water to this temperature. First thing to do is to press the tap to cold button in your machine. If you don't find this option, look out for temperature settings and set the maximum temperature to 30 degrees Celsius. Second thing young people can do is to wash your own clothes by hands. This will not only cut down the emissions almost by half, but will also keep you fit during this lockdown. Third most important thing to do is to go for open air drying most of the times instead of inbuilt dryer. This will consume 5 to 10 times less power than the machine itself. It's our duty to use a product such that it doesn't harm the environment. Only key is to be consistent and do it every time. That's really how we are all going to do our part.